Hi guys, I'm doing a review of this video doorbell by the brand Cyberbay. This is the outdoor unit, the one which will go outside the door, and the indoor unit is this one. So basically this is a 7-inch screen TFT monitor, and it is packed with features. I will just let you know in a minute. It comes with this user manual. It has all the instructions, and there are screws and this metallic holder which will be attached to the wall, so you can place the doorbell on this. Now it has these various buttons for different functions. The first one on the top, it is for intercom. The second one is for screen on and off. The third one is for indicating an alarm. Fourth one is a unlock door. You can attach your keyless door with it, keyless lock with it, and the last one is for the talk mode. You can start that and you can talk with the person outside. And also it also has these on the side. This is for increasing, decreasing the brightness, the volume. Now let me show you how this works. So you can select from 8 different kinds of doorbells. How would you do that is, on standby mode, you will long press this. Now I can select it by pressing this. So now I have set the doorbell. Now let me just show you. I'm going to press the doorbell from right here. And you can see I had placed this plant just to show you. So now you can hear the volume, and by default the screen came up. You can see this is my hand. Now if I press this, the screen will go off. Press it again and the screen will come on. If I press this, it will give an indication, a warning outside. Let me just show you. So this will be heard by the person standing outside. If I press this, it will unlock the door. And by pressing this, I can talk to the person outside. After 60 seconds, it will switch off the display by default. And behind, I'll show you the wiring. In the user manual, there was no specification about the color for the wiring, but I used the universal method and I did the wiring, the color coding. I'll show you for both this and this one, and you can better understand from this. So I've attached the yellow one for video, the black one for ground, green one for audio, and the red one for plus. In the same way, I will attach it to this monitor, and there is this wire which will go and attach in your socket, and it works perfectly. I really like the quality of this product and very useful. Totally recommend it. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.